Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Sprout Social for LinkedIn engagement, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Sprout Social website by entering the URL in your browser. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a new page where various pricing plans are displayed. Choose the plan that best suits your needs by clicking on Get Started under your selected option. A registration form will appear for you to fill out. Enter your first name in the designated field. Next, input your last name in the appropriate box. Provide a valid email address that you regularly use. Create a secure password, ensuring it meets the site's requirements. After entering all required information, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box consenting to the terms. Click the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email to the address you provided. Open the email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Sprout Social login page. Enter the email address and password you used during registration. Click on the Login button to access your account. Now that you're logged in, complete your profile by adding any necessary information. Navigate to the dashboard and find the option for linking social accounts. Select LinkedIn from the list of available platforms. You will be prompted to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and grant Sprout Social the necessary permissions. Once connected, customize your LinkedIn engagement settings to align with your objectives. Explore the features Sprout Social offers to enhance your LinkedIn engagement. Familiarize yourself with the reporting tools available for tracking your performance. Create your first post or engagement activity on LinkedIn using Sprout Social. Monitor the results and adjust your strategy as needed for better engagement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.